Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone sound and vibration setting. And guys today video title is guys how can we enable guys phone charging sound in our Infinix phone device. Once you want to enable guys your phone charging sound in your Infinix phone, then how can you enable it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in Infinix phone. So guys click on guys the sound and vibration, tap here, and friends again scroll it friends, you can see get this phone charging sound and vibration setting. So we will enable from right side icon. After enable guys, turn off your screen and friends on your phone charger. So we will on it. So as you can see your phone charging sound is enabled. So when you will charge your phone guys, you can use guys this phone charging sound like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video.